इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन की कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, each and everyone who has joined us today for our webinar series. Franchise India teams welcomes each one of you to our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. This is a digital representation of the brand of the day so that you get a correct and complete understanding from our side. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, and through our dynamic media and service platform, we cater to investors across all industries and categories like F&B, education, retail, fashion, health, beauty, etc. We truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped more than 78,000 investors in getting the business solutions suggestions from our side so that they can take a conscious and informed decision of selecting the right business for them. We invite management team of Franchise India and we welcome them for this particular webinar. The webinar is hosted by Sonia ma'am and Gaurav sir. During the course of the webinar, once we'll invite the brand, they give the presentation, we'll take all your queries. The brand which we are representing today is Aqua Java. The brand is known for its theme. They're already operational with 14 outlets in East India, and we take an opportunity to invite and welcome Mr. Harshvardhan, who is the man behind Cafe AJ. Thank you so much, Harsh, for sparing our time today to talk about your brand and give us the understanding about the entire financial as well as business model. But before we start the formal presentation, we would like to understand your journey. Over to you, Harsh.
Hi, team Franchise India. It's a pleasure. And thank you for organizing this lovely meet in a beautiful afternoon. And what I'm talking about is Cafe Aqua Java. It's one of the most oldest cafe in India. Started its journey in the year 1999. Since then, it's been creating benchmarks in Calcutta. Now we have recently started targeting Eastern India and looking for more opportunities in the connecting cities and connecting states. Moreover, the potential in the F&B, everyone is aware of the fact that F&B has got a great opportunity and great aspect in terms of growth And moreover, the F&B sector worldwide is a huge potential. Next slide, please. The growth which F&B has in the continuous years and the upcoming years, even after pandemic, the market is completely aware of, and especially the coffee sector, where people hang around in terms of to remove their tensions and worries. It's huge. We are especially targeting the 2-tier and 3-tier cities because the people out there are especially unaware of the fact of the current scenario and the upcoming market trends, which the major cities are facing since last 5-7 years. Next, please. This we have already discussed, and keeping in mind the coffee which we have, the coffee variety of coffees which we have, and beverages which we have, especially we have a few trademark items which have been set and created by our team since last 10-12 years, and they are tickling the taste buds of the customers, and they are going crazy about those. We would like to spread the same across India, and with the support of Franchisee India team. Next, please. It's one of the oldest brand, as I've already discussed. It's a pure veg cafe with a huge potential, vast range of menu. The menu which is created on site as well as it's been supported by our central kitchen. The age group which we target is 18 to 45, which is the most the volume of which is huge in terms of Indian population. We also target entertainments like carom, pools, your dart boards, your PS playstations, and everything. We have a concept of PDR, private dining area, which entertains like small events of bring-in birthday parties, your kitty parties, your other corporate events, your hangouts for youngsters, and especially where we have the sports era of IPL and football leagues, people actually book the PDRs and everything where people are enjoying on a private area with their groups without any external involvement. Moreover, the area which we are targeting is somewhere like high street, your malls, areas of where we have huge student gathering, your huge residential gathering, and high income zones. Next slide, please. This is the TM, the trademark items which I've already discussed. So I request looking to for the next slide. Java has a huge menu concept, starting from Mexican, Italian, Thai, Chinese, Indian, a touch of uh, munchies, which is all-time favorite. Keeping all those in mind, keeping all age categories in mind, we have set our menu in some of the concept where each and every age category is getting their favorite food items, and they enjoy and relish whatever is being prepared fresh from the kitchen of Java. We are also targeting the huge area of packaging and home deliveries, which is especially being taken care during this pandemic section. where people are actually getting little worried about or coming out and calling for food deliveries at home. So we are focusing on those with full care and full system. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. We are into this F&B, being into cafe since last 1999. I've been into this cafe industry, in this food industry since last 47, 48 years. So we know in and out of this industry. And moreover, the support which we can give to our franchisee owners in terms of recruiting, training staffs, the raw material procurement and everything is gonna create a change in their system, and it will be a smooth run. The marketing support, the designing support, the IT section, everything. Next slide, please. Now, the franchisee which we are actually looking for involves a cost of around 30 to 35 lakhs, which includes the complete setup, the machinery, the interior setup, the rentals and everything. And it's a huge potential. It's the profit margins are huge. Being a part of F&B industry, the raw material cost and the ROA, it's immense. And the payback time is also very less. Considering this pandemic, the royalty which we charge is nominal. When we compare it with the market trends and everything, it's actually very nominal just to start off with and give full support to the franchisee. Next, please. The area which we are targeting is basically mostly East India, with the connecting states and everything, in Calcutta, Patna, Ranchi, Bhubaneswar, Asansol, Jamshedpur, Siliguri, Durgapur, Raipur, connecting and nearby cities where we can actually get full support to the team. And number of outlets doesn't actually matter, because once we are entering into the area, the more the number, more the support will be there. The square feet of the area which we are actually targeting is 1,000 to 1,500 square feet, 1,000 to 1,200, 1,500 square feet, depending on what size and what actually the other side of the team is comfortable in. Next slide, please. See, as you can see in the slide, the area which we have created, it's very subtle and very nicely designed, with the comfortable sitting area, bright and beautiful, with nice cozy sitting of sofas. If somebody wants casual sitting, then we have that area. If somebody wants a private dines, we have an area for that. If we have some formal sittings, if you are coming for a corporate meet or something like that, we have a corporate meet for that. We have different sittings altogether, and the menu and everything which we have is going to support each and every feel of whatever the people are entering into the cafe. Next slide, please. So, being said everything about myself, I would like to open the house for straight away question and answer from the team franchisee.
Thank you so much, Harshi. And friends, thank you for being with us. I see some of you raising hands. I will request if you can put your questions in the Q&A box. We'll be able to pick your questions with your names and take it up with Mr. Harsh Ruia. And Harshi, before we start taking questions, and as the questions start coming from the audience, maybe first and foremost, what I like to pick up is, the business model itself. We talked about an overall investment of close to about 30 to 38 odd lakhs, where there's a component of 5 lakh rupees which goes towards the franchise fees. Now, if you
Exactly.
can also maybe explain, what kind of investment would go toward other aspects. So what is this 38 lakh investment all about? How much of that would go into equipment, interiors, and also what support from the company in terms of vendor selection, and if from this entire investment is investor also involved in doing something at his end, so आपका design आप share करते हैं, architectural designing which goes to the investor and he executes at his end. So अगर आप बता सके what investment is retained with him, is it also including working capital, या ये सारी की सारी investment 38 lakhs की infrastructure and franchise?
It includes the cost of the franchisee fee, the interior, the kitchen setup, the complete setup to run a F&B industries, being cutlery, crockery, everything, the running capital and everything. Matlab, this is the total cost one has to bag in and enter into the system.
इनका ब्रेकअप क्या रहता है, अगर आप मुझे ब्रॉड ब्रेकअप समझा सकें 38 lakhs में, हाउ मच इज टुवर्ड्स योर इंटीरियर्स, कितने पर स्क्वायर फीट के हिसाब से हम इंटीरियर हम लेते हैं, इसमें इक्विपमेंट हमारा क्या रहता है इन्वेस्टमेंट कंपोनेंट का, एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल हमने कितना लिया हुआ है इसमें?
See, working capital is not much. Working capital being a small sector of investment, working capital will be somewhere around 1 to 2 lakh rupees. The interior cost is somewhere around 5 to 7 lakh rupees. And the capital cost includes air conditioning, the television, the systems, the main boards and everything, which will be somewhere around 8 to 9 lakh rupees. The kitchen cost is a huge cost, being the kitchen and the beverage cost. That is somewhere around 10 lakh rupees.
Okay, so just to maybe reiterate, because I did see Mr. Yogesh Sundrani, he says, can you please repeat the franchise model? Friends, this is a cafe, it's a QSR model. It's a veg cafe operating out of East India. And they're
Right.
currently looking at operations and expansion only in we had visibility on the cities where the outlets are currently operating, and these are also the locations where they look forward to creating more clusters. On the business model, overall जो आपकी investment है, that is close to about 35 odd lakhs average आपका investment है,
Right.
of which
Right.
5 lakhs is franchise fees, 5 lakhs आपका franchise fees की तरफ है, about 10 lakhs is the investment which goes towards the equipment, and about 9 lakhs is the investment जो आपका interiors की तरफ आपका लगता है. So
Exactly.
actually this becomes about 25 lakhs हमारा ये हो जाता है, and where is the next 10 lakhs, वो investment हमारी किस चीज में हमने डाली हुई है?
See, there is an initial cost which includes if the area is on rent, the security deposit, the initial stocks, the uniform, the licensing cost, which we have included everything in that 35 lakh rupees.
Okay. So this also includes the initial security deposit towards the property which the franchisee would do, and that
Exactly.
typically
Considering
means
a basic, right.
So ये आपने 3 months का provision लिया है, जो भी हम property owner को ये हम deposit देंगे. So friends, that is also included. So while on the infrastructure आपकी investment typically आपकी 27 to about 30 odd lakhs रहती है. बाकी जो आपका 8-9 lakhs का investment है, that is towards the other elements we talked about. And इसमें अगर हम आपके, because you're running some outlets already and you've been running that for a very long period of time, 1999 you started off your venture, and it has been almost 23 plus years that you've been doing. If you can also maybe help our investors understand, what does it take to run a cafe, and what kind of qualities or I would say profile of people according to you and your own experience have been a good fitment for running a business of this nature, and how time involving is this venture?
If the systems are right, the time which you want to personally give is irrelevant. You need to set a system which is leak-proof, basically. Being F&B and into this cash market, the system needs to be perfect. And moreover, all you need to run such kind of cafe where youngsters are involved, where it's only about the passion. the team which is required, that definitely the franchisee owner, the brand will take care of. And there has to be a vision, and the vision need to be same and match with the brand if the franchisee is taking this.
ओके एंड हर्षी इसमें हमारे ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस क्या रहते हैं टिपिकली अगर हमें कैफे को रन करना है क्या हमारे डे टू डे ऑपरेशंस हमारे रहते हैं एंड दूसरा क्या एक अगर मैं समझूं एक आउटलेट का हमारा जो थ्रूपुट है कितना निकल सकता है क्या रेवेन्यू एक हम कैफे से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं
So the revenue जो अपने कैफे से expect कर सकते हैं, that is somewhere around, if we are targeting a everyday sale of around 30 to 40 lakh, 40,000 rupees, the average monthly sale will be 12 to 15, out of which the fixed cost which we consider, average fixed cost which we consider is somewhere around 6 lakhs. We are taking out the taxations, the miscellaneous cost, the wear and tear, depreciation, some extra cost involved maybe on a monthly basis. Removing everything, if everything is perfect, 4 to 5 lakh rupees profit on a monthly basis is lower. And that's
ओके एंड हमारे व्हाट आर द ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस यू नो अगर हम रेंट की बात करें व्हाट आर द आइडल रेंटल्स फॉर द साइज दैट वी लुकिंग एट
the major portion of expenses in a cafe is rentals, salary, electricity, raw materials. These are the basic costs which is involved in a cafe business. The rentals, looking at the area of high street and malls of around 1,000 square feet, will be somewhere around 1.5 lakh rupees. The salaries of maybe a team of 10 to 15, 10 to 12 people will be somewhere around 1.25. Considering the electricity on the same, if it's in a mall, there will be a camp charge involved. But if it's outside, the camp charge doesn't matter. So coming back to the electricity, that will be somewhere around 65,000, being an air-conditioned outlet. And the raw material cost, that is around 20 to 25% of the actual sales. So if we consider 15 lakh rupees of sales, then the raw material cost will be somewhere around 3 to 4 lakh rupees. So these are the basic thumb rules which we can talk about.
And Ajay, if you can also talk a little bit on the menu, or अगर हमारे पास अगर menu handy, if we can even show to our investors. And in the meantime, I will also take a question from Mr. Ghosh, you know, because it's a pure vegetarian cafe. So he wanted to know, you know, if we compare that with the other cafes offering non-vegetarian menu also, so how, you know, how competitive would it be in terms of, you know, reaching out to the audience? So क्या demand है? I'm sure you've been running this for many years now. So if you look at your own outlet versus the others in the market, so how do you see the demand, you know, being added year on year, and overall demand हमारी कहाँ से किन markets में से आती है? And इसमें आपका online and offline का भी business, if you can explain how much of our business comes online and how much of that is our offline business?
Okay. See, coming firstly talking about the menu, we have one of the biggest menu in terms of cafes. Starting from single bites, going back to the main course, the winter special, the summer special, beverages, hot drinks, everything. It's a huge, vast menu. And talking about this non-vegetarian items, I actually being into this since so many years. I don't feel there is a difference because the people entering into the cafe have already been our old clients and they have a concept, they have a mindset, what are we supposed to get out here. So once you are aware of the fact, people are not going to discuss or talk about this anymore. Maybe you are losing 10% of the business in terms for non-vegetarian products, but it actually doesn't matter.
Sure. And typically हमारे APCs क्या रहते हैं? What is our APC for you know, which is
approximately 400 to 500 per head.
Okay. And while I will take a minute, you know, I took out your menu. If you allow me, I can share with the audience. So friends, this is the menu of Aqua Java, and I feel that's very elaborate. There are 10 pages, so you can quickly, Pashi, if you can take us through the menu. आपके क्या-क्या इसमें categories हैं which are being offered in the cafe, and I think it starts from
Yeah,
chaat.
these are the munchies which we have. The mixture, these are the fusion products, mixtures of Indian and Western culture. The pav bhaji is a different concept, samosas with new feel, the charts, where people are actually afraid of having these products on the street. But in a cafe with a proper environment, they can have it. They are pretty sure of having it and trying it without any hesitation. The cheese garlic bread, which is our all-time favorite product, the bruschettas, the cheese balls, the arancini balls, the exotic products like broccoli and mushroom, Thai, Chinese, Mexican, some of our special items like cello kebab. They are real hotcakes.
So I
We
think
have
it's
a
very
little touch of
elaborate.
Indian too.
I think from charts to also a lot of I would say snack
A
items.
complete
It is already
Italian range.
packaged.
A complete Italian range, including raviolis, lasagnas, your spaghetti, penne, fondue, pizza. Our thin crust pizzas are actually very famous out there. Then again, coming back to the munchies, the Vai. Aquajava was the first to launch Vai in India. The Maggies, variety of Maggies which we make. Technically, listening to the word Maggie, it's so typical, but once you want to have it, you actually get a craving out of it.
And you also have kept some North Indian, which is
Yes, yes.
abhi tadka.
They are basically sold in terms of combos.
I think that's very elaborate menu and इसमें अगर हम format की भी बात करें, because I saw one of the questions, if somebody is keen, is there also an option for running maybe a FOCO model where the company would operate and the franchisee, or are we looking at only operator run franchise model?
Operator run franchise model.
So when there's no FOCO, I think I did see one question coming from our audience. So it's only a franchisee and franchisee operated model.
See, if it is a FOCO, then Calcutta is the only area which we can actually look forward for it. But otherwise, if it's somewhere outside Calcutta, as of now, we are not that comfortable.
So, and it also is very important, I think in Calcutta, they would have their own, I would say, teams, and they would have bandwidth to maybe operate. But largely, cafes of these nature should ideally be run on a franchisee operated model. And we have Mr. Aniket Agarwal, I think he was looking for a FOCO in Siliguri. So Siliguri would not be an option for a franchisee.
I really doubt for that.
And Harshi, other question is on the training of the chef, because you have a very, very elaborate menu.
Exactly.
Now we have a question from Mr. Yogesh Sundrani again. He one wants to know if the training kaise hoti hai chefs ki, and in case if
training, there is a process involved. Once we sign the deal and everything, we'll start hiring the team and everything. And since day one, they'll be employed to our existing cafes, and the training will start. Since day one, we are going to take care of this, and if required, our existing chef will be there for 10 days, 15 days during the opening session for a basic and the brief setup of the kitchen and the training.
And इसमें जो training हमारी होती है and जहाँ पे हम staff recruit भी करते हैं, is it done by the partner or there is some assistance that you will provide in getting the trained, I would say, staff or chefs on board?
We'll take care of that.
And how about the supply chain? इसमें supply chain हम कैसे manage करते हैं? आपकी कोई centralized ऐसी कोई
Yes, we have a centralized kitchen and a centralized warehouse. we have a centralized kitchen and a centralized warehouse where the franchisees and all the stores place their orders a day before. And next day, the supply and everything, be it raw material, be it cooked product, be it semi-cooked product, everything is supplied on the next day.
Sure. And I think I do see a question from Mihir. He's asking on the menu. So Mihir, most of the companies that would give any franchisee does not have, you cannot run a different menu. जो भी वो business model कहता है, that's what the brand has to run. There might be some variations which can bring maybe a local flavor or a local, seasoning. Sometimes, if we even talk about South Indian as a category, some states like it sweet, some states like it spicy. So थोड़ा बहुत जो food का variation वो हो सकता है, but there can never be any drastic change which any brand across the world will ever allow in their menu to be done. But any local, I would say, customization is something which companies are open, and even the chefs are trained on the same. And Harshi, if I have to talk also on some of the important markets, which are the important markets that we are looking for? Because Calcutta कुछ locations पे आपका already operate कर रहा है, आपने कुछ और cities भी दिखाई थी. If we have to take some of the important locations where you want to go and enter immediately, what would these locations be? And second, what are the important spots even in Kolkata? Because you already have a penetration there. कौन से ऐसी spots होंगे कोलकाता में जहाँ पे आपको लगता है आपकी demand आती है, because you're doing a lot of online business also, catering which you're doing, catering through online channels. So कौन सी locations जहाँ से आपको demand आती है, and currently you feel if you had an outlet, your delivery or could have been better. So which locations?
Looking at areas in Calcutta, we still have untouched areas like Tollygun, Southern Avenue, Rajarhat, Daryahat, some of Sham Bazaar area. There are still a huge area, good number of areas which we haven't touched as of now. Calcutta being a huge city, we have good potential out here. And outside, so it has to be a high street and malls looking for the first target.
And Isme, will you also help a partner, because location is very important. We're talking about a cafe and like a cloud kitchen, which can be opened anywhere. So we are also dependent on, volumes which come from a lot of walk-in customers. So कौन से ऐसे locations या rental अगर मैं बात करूँ, do we have any locations which we have already shortlisted? And if not, can we help franchisee maybe scout for a property or a location if he ties up with you?
Yes, we can do. We already have some properties identified. As I told, Southern Avenue, we have identified the property. Tollygun, we have identified the property. If somebody is interested, we can definitely move ahead.
Okay. And then I'll take a question from our partner, Mr. Arnab Majumdar. He wants to know if you're open for Raipur.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so we're open for Raipur also. And I have a question without a name from a phone number, which says that if you have any franchisee in the state of Odisha, which is running, and there's none, but will you be open for that location?
Yes. Bhubaneswar, Puri, Cuttack.
Sure. And इसमें हम एक outlet से दूसरे outlet में कितना हम एक distance रखते हैं protecting maybe the operations or the business?
Technically, if the area is dense, then 1.5 kilometers. If the area is not that dense, then 2 kilometers.
Okay. एक और जो चीज है, while you are a cafe model, but I'm sure there are some deliveries also we are doing which requires you to maybe have a tie-up with these delivery platforms. So इसमें अगर हम delivery platform की भी cost include करते हैं, so does it affect, because most of these platforms take a high commission on delivery. So do we already have something structured with them? And typically हमारे जो net margins business पे रहते हैं सारे खर्चे निकालने के बाद, what would that margin be if I even include delivery partner commission included in a?
What actually happened here, the delivery, the rates which we quote them is definitely a little bit higher. So we take it out from there itself, and the volume which they give, it actually doesn't matter. We only need to show the volumes to give the percentage out to the delivery partners.
Okay. And the last question which I want to take up is on the time. How long does it take after the location has been selected? कितना time frame लगता है एक outlet को up and running होने में? So if I select the location today, what time would it take? और इसमें क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो जिसमें आप involve होते हैं? कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जहाँ पे आपका franchisee का direct I would say responsibility होती है execute करने की?
My involvement or maybe my core team's involvement is in the first level of setup only, to identify the location, to plan the location, the layout and everything. But the time frame which is actually required depends upon site to site. Starting maybe 1 month minimum and maximum of 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
Because the work which is supposed to be done, it's actually not same in every site. If we already have an existing setup or an existing cafe which has been taken over and been converted into our brand, it's going to take a maximum of 10 days. But if it's a raw place and we got to set up everything, it might take 2 months.
Sure. And friends, so just to maybe summarize, it's a model, it's a cafe pure vegetarian model with an investment of, I would say, 28-30 lakhs, and the rest of the investment goes into your security deposit and including maybe even your uniform, merchandise, VM, which all is needed to invest initially. And the company also has some locations which they have identified in Kolkata, which sees a demand. And if you're interested in any of these locations, the company can support you in procuring these locations. And the current rollout is only for East India, not out of East India. And if you're keen, we'll put our hotline number also on the chat box. आप इस hotline number पे reach out कर सकते हैं. Our East India teams are working on the project, and they will contact all of you and also set up a meeting or a call. And since we have a lot of outlets which we saw in the presentation which are already operating, any one of you who wants to visit any of these outlets can also do that. And Harshi, last question jo main I'll take it is again coming, it's come from one of our viewers. हमारे renewal terms क्या होंगे? After I think 5 years is our agreement term. After the agreement term is over, what are the renewal terms with the partner?
See, after 5 years, we renew the term, and the terms are the same as we are starting off.
So we take additional franchise fees?
Yes, we do.
All right. So I hope this is answered. And Aniket ji, yes, Siliguri should be a good place to expand. Harshi, any opinion of yours on the city Siliguri for expansion of your brand?
That is definitely a nice area, and we are actually very keen to open the outlet there.
So Aniket ji, what we'll do, our teams will reach out to you. I did see some more questions also. You're asking, if they can be moderation or some inclusions also overall like hookah. So what we'll do is we'll reach out to you separately to discuss any questions which are specific to your city or your interest. And I have also put in the hotline number in the chat box. आप सब लोग इस hotline number पे reach out कर सकते हैं. And our teams in the next, I would say 2 to 3 days time will reach out to everybody who's come on the webinar. And I will also request Ashna, if you have a date which has been decided, which we can announce. And that is a date we'll start aligning your calls, or if you're wanting to come to the cafe, see the running of the operations, we'll also facilitate that for each member. So Harshi, before we leave, I will request if you can also have maybe a last word to the audience, and a discovery day, a date, where you think we can have potential meetings, calls lined up with you.
Maybe in the coming week, you can set up a time with the potential investors and whoever are actually interested in moving ahead with us. So as the team franchisee is comfortable, my team is going to support.
Sure. And any message that you want to give to everybody who's present out here?
It was a great meet, and looking forward for taking this brand pan India, starting from the east. All the best to everybody. Have a good day.
Thank you, Harshi. And friends, while we come to the end of the presentation, I also want to tell we are running a very special Navratra incentive for anybody who buys business in these 9 days, auspicious days from Franchise India. Anybody who does that, there's a coin, which is a 100-gram coin that we'll give to every business buyer who will buy a business during this time. And we will reach out to you with the information that you all seek and try and answer all your queries which you have raised in this webinar. And I will now request Ashna, if you can share maybe your closing remark and details on the webinar that we are bringing tomorrow.
Sure, sure. So thank you so much, Harsh. Thank you so much, Soni ma'am, for joining in. Dear friends, this is the information, this is the opportunity which Sonia ma'am had just explained to each one of you. You can definitely claim your 100-gram silver coins if you close the deal with us during these Navratras. And you can reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. We request each one of you to share your suggestions, feedback, queries at the same business hotline number. Do join us at a different social handles, information on your screen. You can also join and link with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. That's the information. And tomorrow, under Business Opportunity Over webinar series, we invite you to join us Journey for Desi Pan. That's the brand we are representing tomorrow. So do registration today so that you can join us tomorrow. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. We would like to put the link also for you so that you can do the registration. Just give me 1 minute. I'll put that.
And friends, so we have 2 webinars we're doing tomorrow. One is a 12 noon webinar that we do every day, which is 12 to 12:45 daily business opportunity over chai. And we're also bringing some iconic brands on demand of many of the investors. So there are 3 big opportunities that we bring to you tomorrow between 10 to 11 o'clock. We have 3 big iconic brands, which are leading brands of India, which are coming tomorrow. The first and foremost is an opportunity from Tata, the House of Tatas. They have a brand called Chroma. And this brand is looking for franchise partners on a franchisee owned company operated model, where the company will take care of the operations. Also, at the same time, you also have an opportunity to partner with some of the profitable running stores of Tata in India. If you want to take over some of the existing stores, that opportunity will also come to you. Second is a company called Nephroclass, which is a leading India's leading dialysis chain, which is also having a market share of 16% of dialysis in India. They're looking at partners. This is also a franchisee-owned company operated model, where they want partners all across the country, and they currently run about 200 plus centers across. And they have 2 models. One is a center model, and they also have a model which is a dialysis on wheels model. And the other brand that we are bringing to you is a company from cosmetic industry, which is a brand called Color Bar, which currently runs more than 150 outlets across all the leading malls of India. And this comes from the, a very iconic, respected company or a group from India called the Modi Group, headquartered in New Delhi. So these are 3 companies which will come between 10 to 11 o'clock. And if you want to attend that, you can do that. You can again reach on the hotline number, which is put here. And we also have a Facebook page, friends, which is Franchise India Brands ka Facebook page. Pe agar aap jayenge, jitne bhi webinars hamare hote hain, you can find the link of all the webinars that we do on that page. And I will also request you to kindly register and subscribe yourself or like the page. So any information which comes on the page can reach to you. So Ashna, if we are able to find the link, we can share. Else I will request, friends, you can reach on the hotline number. We will be sharing whatever information you seek, and we'll organize a discovery day with the Aqua Java in the coming week, where our teams will reach out to you and fix your calls or meetings with the brand. So with this, friends, we like to take your leave, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow at both the webinars that we are doing. Thank you so much and have a great day.